Guys, as we all know, that show Coffee with Karan is all there on television to create the controversies. But when we tried to research more and more, we came out to know that this show has a different agenda as well. This show has always tried to demean or disrespect the outsiders of Bollywood. Yes, that's the fact. My name is Suraj. Today, I am going to put some facts about Coffee with Karan which you did not know before. Second last episode of season 4, in one of the segment when Pariniti was asked to put hot or not in front of list of an actors. The actors in the list were Arjun Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, Shahid Kapoor and Sushant Singh Rajput. Pariniti replies by tagging Sushant as not and other three actors, that is Ranveer, Shahid, and Arjun, as hot. Now you will say that's the format of the show. So we would like to clarify that why Sushant is there in the list of actors who are products of nepotism. It's very clear that he was targeted and Karan knew whom to include in the list and whom not. Who is Pariniti to judge the most talented actor, Sushant, by tagging him that he is not hot? Just because he doesn't attend Bollywood parties and is not very flamboyant? So this is what you think about him? Looking at Pariniti Chopra's career graph, it shows this actress is there in Bollywood only because of her connections with Priyanka Chopra. Coming to the next question, when Karan asks Pariniti to rank the actors in order of their sex appeal, the actors in the list were Sushant, Arjun, Aditya, Ranveer, Varun, and Siddharth. Guess what? She puts Sushant lowest in the list as expected, only because she was not very good friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, unlike others. For just the sake of hamper, these actresses can sell their dignity. In the same episode, Alia Bhatt also ranked Sushant lowest in sex appeal segment. Moving forward, in episode 5 of season 6, Sara Ali Khan, who did films with Sushant Singh Rajput and Ranveer Singh, when asked who does she prefer as her choice in co-actor, she takes a pause and replies feeling embarrassed as Ranveer Singh. So this clearly shows that the show feeds words in celebrities' mouth. And the host Karan and makers of the show exactly know what options to give and what not to demean the other person. Not just that, in episode 17th of season 6, in which Kartik Aaryan and Kriti Senan were guests, Karan asks Kriti, Kartik Aaryan or Sushant Singh Rajput. This was the time when Luka Chippy, their film, was about to release. Just that it will not hamper the chemistry of Kartik and her, Kriti says Kartik. But in that also Karan had a problem. Says that the reason given for the answer was not okay and confuses her. Then she switched to Sushant, giving a reason that there was good chemistry of them in Rabta, to which Karan again objectified that where was the chemistry? Seems that he had so much problem with Sushant. And we all knows that there was a decent chemistry between Sushant and Kriti in film Rabta, even though the film didn't do well at box office because of its story. But we still cannot forget the song Main Tera Boyfriend, Tu Meri Girlfriend and Sushant and Kriti's spectacular moves in that. But Karan says that there was no chemistry between Sushant and her. I mean, what is this, Karan? So Kriti again had to change her answer to Kartik. So we would like to say to Karan here that to grow up and not to counter question the answer of the guest, at least if he is asking some baseless questions. Some popular actors like Kangana Ranaut and Ranbir Kapoor has commented on the show that the show is bullshit. Kangana once called in Coffee with Karan show in season 5 when she was asked some personal questions by Karan that why is she doesn't fit into Bollywood and why she has no friends. She bluntly jibs on Karan that he is flag bearer of nepotism and the biggest Bollywood mafia. To be frank, when Karan faces such nasty comments by anybody, he has no loss because he is not a primary face of any films. He is a producer. But when he asks some personal questions to his guests, this can result in loss of their career as well. To the limit, it's fine, but the show has crossed all its limits. Ranbir once said that he don't like to attend Coffee with Karan. He is forced every time. He says Karan makes money from the show, but stars in the show get screwed throughout the year. So whether it was hoopla around Salman's virginity or Ranbir's denial regarding the then girlfriend, everything was like a flurry of unwanted information. We are pretty sure they can put out some good content, like improving the game segments, introducing more fun activities, and we feel that the show should stop chasing controversial statements and focus on the happier things that are happening in an actor's life. Many times we have seen Karan Johar is seen taking a personal digs at actors and bringing up dark things from their past. So if an actor doesn't like another actor, they will make sure they bring it up again and again. The showmakers has learned that they are making headlines whenever an actor or actress says something spicy. So they started scripting the show in a way in which the actor should say something stupid or spark a controversy. It seems Karan has perhaps taken the tagline of the show, "Stop Making Sense," way more seriously than it should be. The extensive reach of the show, not just on television but also on digital platforms, gives Johar an opportunity to address some serious issues within the industry. But by focusing only on personal relationships and ranking talented actors based on their sex appeal, ability to gossip, shop, keep secrets, and many such profound categories, he fails to effectively create any change. So these were our views on the show. Let us know what do you think on this. Please comment down below, and thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Thanks a lot.